Hi there. You are now looking at Canva.com, and Canva has its own set of AI tools. Whether you have the free or paid version, Canva has an AI interface. And if you click on Canva AI, you will then be able to type into the dialog box what it is that you actually want. You do have starters. For example, if you're looking for a design, you can click here and start your design. If you're looking to create an image, if you're looking to draft a document, or if you're looking for some kind of code, whether or not we click create an image, we can still describe the image that we want and ask Canva to create it. You do have limits based on whether you have a free or paid account. Once you put in your prompt here in Canva AI, in this particular case, we're asking for an image, and by using the plain language prompt, we can then click submit. And what will happen is that Canva will then create your image. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that when you actually do specify the image, you can specify the size and type of the image that you want, as well as the style. However, we are able to get an image by default, and we can choose one of the images that we want. Canva gives us the opportunity to upscale this image, which basically then increases the image's resolution and the clarity. For the sake of this video, we're going to increase the resolution and we're going to upscale the image. So basically, Canva allows you to create a high-quality image using its AI features. Now, this is not the only Canva AI feature. It's one of many. However, it is one that you can use whether you have the free or paid version. We can then click on the editor. Once the image is then in the editor, what we can do is we can then click the share button. We can then download the image to our hard drive. You also have image editing features here on the left side panel if you'd like to edit the image in Canva. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.